to the SWS Naatu Naatu series, and my name is Tejaswini Sudhir. This is a continuation to the revision series we have been doing on YouTube for each and every subject. I have been solving papers in mathematics with you so that you can get more practice and do very well in your maths exam, in your board exam. So let us continue with this revision. In the last video, I solved few MCQs in a question paper prepared by the SWS faculty team, and I'm going to be continuing that and doing the rest of the questions in section A for you. Please solve along with me so that you get enough practice. So let us start off with the first question. Question 2, the first one says that Anil opened an RD account in HDFC Bank and deposits rupees 800 rupees per month for 1.5 years. If he received 15,084 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So what is given in the question? Let us first write that down. So this is the first question. It says that T is equal to rupees 800. N is equal to 1.5 years. You need to be converting in 2 months. So that is 12 into plus 6, which is 18 months, right? And they're asking you the rate of interest, and they're giving you the maturity value, that is MV is equal to rupees 15,084. They're asking you the value of R. So let us directly apply the formula. MV is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So this is the formula. Let us now apply it in the question. So 15,084 is equal to 800 into 18 plus 800 into 18 into 19 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So let us cut off these 2 zeros here, these 2 zeros here. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 six are, and what we get here is 800 into 18. So let us do 18 into 8. 8 8s are 64, 4 6 in the mind. 8 plus 6 is 14, 144. So what it comes to is 15,084 is equal to 14400 plus 19 into 6 is 114. 114R. So what we get is 114R is equal to 15,084 minus 14400, which comes to 684. So therefore, R is equal to 684 divided by 114, which comes to 6%, right? So therefore, our answer is 6% is the right answer. This is our first question. Is this clear? It's a direct application of the formula. So all you need to know is the formula, and you will be able to score a direct, I think that's a 3-mark question. You'll be able to easily score 3 marks in this particular question. Let's go on to the next question. What the next question says is that if A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove this particular question. So let us start off. So what does continued proportion mean? What it means is that A by B is equal to B by C, which let us say is equal to K. Okay, now, after we say that, what does that mean? A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK. Let us substitute CK here. So CK into K. So therefore, A will be equal to CK square and B will be equal to CK, and C is equal to C as C is equal to C as is. Let's just substitute C as C. Everything we are bringing in terms of C, right? Now let us substitute. The question given here is that A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So let's go on to the next page so that we'll be having more space, right? And what we need to do is that substitute the values. So let us first consider LHS, right? So A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C will be nothing but CK square plus CK plus C into CK square minus CK plus C. What that comes to is C into K square plus K plus 1 and C into K square minus K plus 1. So what that will come down to is C square into K square plus K plus 1 into K square minus K plus 1. So that will be nothing but C square into K to the power of 4 plus K square plus 1. So that is our LHS. Now let's do the RHS. RHS is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square, which comes down to CK square ka whole square plus CK ka whole square plus C square, which is C square K to the power of 4 plus C square K square plus C square, which is nothing but C square common le liya, K to the power of 4 plus K square plus 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved. One mistake which a lot of people do is that even if they know that they have not been able to prove it right, they just because they know they write LHS is equal to RHS, hence prove. A lot of examiners do notice that and they got even more marks for that. So please be careful. The next question is a proving question again. So prove that secant A by secant A minus 1 plus secant A by secant A plus 1 is equal to 2 cosecant square A. So obviously we will be starting with LHS again. So let us cross multiply. So what we get is secant square A plus secant A plus secant square A minus secant A by A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So what we then get is secant A minus secant A cancel ho jata hai, 2 secant square A by secant square A minus 1. So we know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. So secant square A minus 1 is nothing but tan square A, which is nothing but 2 by secant square A is nothing but 2 by cos square A by sin square A by cos square A. So what you get is 2 by sin square A, which is nothing but 2 cosecant square A. So what you need to do is that keep writing, write what is your what you're getting, that is whatever I've written here, and on the right hand side, like how I wrote 1 plus tan square is A is equal to secant square A. Similarly, keep writing stuff like that on the right side so that it's more clear. So this is a very easy question again, and it's an easy score, right? Now let us go on to the question 3. So question 3, what does it state? First bit, the inner circumference of the rim of a circular metal tube is 44 centimeters. Inner circumference of the rim of a circular metal tube is 44 centimeters is what is given. And in the diagram, we come to know that the external radius is 8 centimeters. So let us consider capital R is equal to 8 centimeters. And you get 2 pi r, which is the circumference, but it's for the smaller inner one. So small r is equal to 44 centimeters. So the first bit is asking the inner radius of the tube. So it's very direct. 2 into 22 by 7 into r will be equal to 44. So 22 ones are, 22 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are. So r is equal to 7 centimeters. That is our first bit, right? Now, what does it say? The volume of the material of the tube, if its outer radius is 8 centimeters. So that was given in the question as well. So they're asking you the volume of the material. So volume of the material would be nothing but 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube, which is nothing but 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8 cube minus 7 cube. So which is 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 512 minus 343, which is nothing but 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 512 minus 343, 789. This is nothing but 169 into 169, right? And what we get is what we can do is that we can further simplify this. So 2 into 22 into 169 we need to do. So if you say 169 into 22, 9 twos are 18, 1 in the mind, 6 twos are 12, 13, 1 in the mind, 3. 9 twos are 18, 1 in the mind, 6 twos are 12, 13, 1 in the mind, 3. 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 3, 7, 9, 8. So this is a very long answer. You get what you get. If you have got up to what I have calculated till here, it's well to go. You can calculate the proper final answer. You can do all the calculations, and it is totally worth it because it's a direct mark question, right? So let's now go on to the next question. I hope, see, the most important thing right here during when I'm doing these videos is that you should be able to understand the concept. As long as you're understanding the concept, nothing like it. So next question says that A and B are 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively, and P 2, minus 3 is the midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of AB. So what is given? Let's first draw. So what's given? The diagram is already given to you, but even if it was not, it was written that A and B are 2 points on the x-axis. This is the x-axis, so this is A, and this is the y-axis, so this is B. So what will this be? This will be x, 0, and this would be 0, y, right? And the midpoint is somewhere here is what is written, which is P, which is 2, minus 3. So we need to be using the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula is basically x1 plus x2 by 2. So in this case, 2 will be equal to x plus 0 by 2, which comes to x is equal to 4. And so this is nothing but A 4, 0. And minus 3 is equal to y plus 0 by 2. So y is equal to minus 6. So what we get is that B is nothing but 0, minus 6. So this is the first bit, A coordinates of A and B, which we have found. Now what they're asking us to do is to find the slope of AB. Slope of AB is again a very direct slope is equal to slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here you have A is 4 comma 0 and B is 0 comma minus 6. So y2 minus y1 is minus 6 minus 0 by 0 minus 4, which is minus 6 by minus 4, which is 6 by 4, which is nothing but 3 by 2. So the slope of AB is 3 by 2. This is the slope, which is M, right? Now next they're asking, let's go to the next page again, since place ki to kami hai hi nahi. Let's go to the next page. Now they're asking you the equation of AB, which is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? So y minus 0 is equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 4, right? So what you get is 2y minus 0 is equal to 3x minus 12. So we get 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the answer, is the equation of the line. So this is your answer, and these are the 3 bits and direct quit marks. The next question, even if this diagram is not given, I'm sure you guys will be able to actually solve, right? Now let's go on to the next question. The next question is something which is based on graphs, okay? Use graph paper for this question. Since we don't have a graph paper, I'm going to be showing you virtual graph paper and how it is done, right? So plot the points for A 4, 4, B 4, minus 6, and C 8, 0, the vertices of triangle ABC. So we get, so we have here, we have 4, 4 right here, right? So we have 4, 4 right here. And then they're asking you to plot 4, minus 6, which comes right here. And then they're asking you for C 8, 0, which is here, right? Now they're saying, once this is done, they're asking you to reflect ABC on the y-axis. The y-axis is this axis. When they ask you to reflect it on y-axis is nothing but x is equal to 0. So the x coordinates changes. So A, when it's reflected, it becomes minus 4, 4, which is here. Then next they're asking you to plot B, which is 4, minus 6, become minus 4, minus 6, which is here. And the next one is 8, 0, become minus 8, 0. Always remember, when they're asking you to reflect on the y-axis, only the x coordinate changes. If they ask you to reflect on the x-axis, the y coordinates changes. Okay, now. So once you have reflected and you name it as A dash, B dash, and C dash, right? Write the coordinates of the image. We have already said done so. Give the geometrical name for the figure A dash, C dash, B dash, B, C. So this, when we try to draw a line connecting all of them, we realize that the figure thus formed is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6. It's a polygon with 6 sides, so therefore it is called a hexagon, right? That's a geometrical name. Identify the line of symmetry A dash, C dash, B dash, B, C. So this is the line of symmetry is also found. So with this, we come to the end of section A. So now in the new pattern, back in 2019, when I wrote my board exam, we had 4 questions, each of 10 marks each in section A. And we had to attempt 4 questions in section B. Now you have the MCQ format. So therefore you have 15 MCQs followed by questions. And that's your section A. It's very easy to score and do very well in section A. Section A is very scoring, and section B is also you have choice. So you can do very well. So with this, we come to the end of section A. I'll make another video in which I'll be solving section B as well. If you have any doubts, any clarifications, do write in the comment section. Do subscribe to Study with Sudhir YouTube channel so that you get all the help you require to ace your board exams and much more. Thank you so much for watching.